How to withdraw Bitcoin from Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can withdraw Bitcoin from Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you want to withdraw Bitcoin from Cash App, you go ahead and then basically launch Cash App over here. Once you launch Cash App over here, if you want to withdraw Bitcoin, you can't just withdraw it. What you do is you have to sell your Bitcoin. So you come to the home tab, you tap on buy Bitcoin. Now I personally don't have any Bitcoin that I can sell, but if you do, instead of buy Bitcoin, you'll also find the option to sell your Bitcoin for a certain amount of dollars depending upon today's market value. Once you sell your Bitcoin, the money will then be deposited to your Cash App account automatically, and from Cash App, if you have linked your bank account, you can tap on the cash out option, make sure you enter your debit card or whatever account details you have, then you will be able to withdraw to your bank account. This is how you can withdraw Bitcoin from Cash App. Bottom line is you can't withdraw directly. You first have to sell your Bitcoin, someone will buy it, then you'll get the money. And this way you should be able to withdraw Bitcoin from Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.